very windy outside. Whoa. Can't even see those trees. It's super windy. Very, very windy outside. They're saying the wind is about up to 15 miles per hour. That's what the wind is tonight. And then I don't know how many gusts there is. I think it's 30 plus gusts. That's my guess. It's really windy outside. Going on our trees. Got a lot of leaves growing. I don't know how big trees y'all can see. It's really dark, but they're growing leaves. A lot of the trees are growing leaves in the springtime. Yeah, but it's spring. A lot of trees have some leaves. They're growing. I think they're halfway through growing. there. I see a big wind right there. Over here, we got some azaleas bloomed over here. Beautiful flowers. There's a bunch of them in this bush. Really pretty and beautiful. I like those pink azaleas. There's some right here. Not as much as that. These bushes are getting big. I remember they were small, just like about 3 years. We planted those 3 years ago. Or it could be 4 years ago. That's probably where we planted. There's a little bit, there's not really much. Not really much azaleas in this bush. There's just a small amount of it right here. I think we planted those 3 bushes about 3 or 4 years ago. I remember they were small at once, but they're getting pretty big. That one's really big. It's growing good. Maybe planted those bushes over here just about 2022. They used to be old bushes. Well, there weren't any flowers. There was just green bushes. So we tore them out, tore all of the old bushes out and planted new in 2022. And then there used to be a big bush right here, but we ripped it out. Yeah. This big bush right here with white flowers. It's a sticky bush. I don't really like it, but it came with the house when we got it. When we got this house, this bush came with it. It was small at once, but now it's big, huge. Yeah, I remember this bush was really small when we got the house, but now it's really big. I think we planted those three bushes in either 2020 or 2021. I'm not really sure. It's either 2020 or 2021. Somewhere like that. And then we planted all of these bushes in 2022. And then along we planted the bushes, we planted this big tree right here. Yeah, it was already like that when we planted it in 2022, just about 2 years ago. And since that tree grew just a tiny bit, I was able to hang just 2 wind chimes on it. But pretty soon I'm gonna have to move them because there will be leaves growing. There will be, a small amount of bit starting to grow. Oh yeah, that is a big wind. Big wind right here. It's a breeze. These trees are growing. These trees are blowing. Oh my goodness, that's a big wind coming. Oh my goodness. That Amazing Grace Heavenly is going crazy. might have to move two of these wind chimes soon because there will be leaves growing on these chimes. I'm either gonna move them down here or move them somewhere else. I'm not sure, but just for now they're gonna stay up. But when the leaves are growing, I'm gonna have to move them. It's gonna be like about a couple more weeks until they grow. Yeah. Just about a week ago, I planted a new tree. My dad did. And it's a dogwood. We planted a dogwood right here. Hopefully it will grow, and maybe in the future, I don't know, I might hang wind chimes when it gets big. I don't know. But we did plant a new tree. We also planted another tree in the backyard as well. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Chimes are blowing really good. Yep, this is our second new tree we planted right here. It's a silver maple. Hold on. There it is. It's a silver maple. It says fast growing tree. And hopefully in the future, like I said to the dogwood, I might can hang some wind chimes on. But I'll have to wait for like a few more or a couple more years. Maybe not even longer. It's probably gonna be in a few more months. It's not gonna be anytime soon. I know. It needs to grow before I hang some wind chimes on. But we did plant a new one right here. It's a silver maple right here in the backyard. And then there's another tree we planted, but I think it's dead. We tried to plant it, but it's dead. We planted that one just about 2 years ago, but it never grew. So it's dead, so we had to plant another one right here. Yep. Forgot to show y'all the tag. It says it's a white dogwood. Hold on. It says fast growing tree. Yep. Just forgot to show you all that. But yeah. Yeah, I forgot to show you all the tag on that tree. Yeah, there's, like I said earlier, show you all the plants, but here, we planted them just about 2 years ago. It was 2022 when we planted them. There used to be a line of plain bushes over here, but we tore every single bush out and planted new. So yeah, I think it was that kind of bush right there. It was a line of them, but we tore every single of them out and replanted them new. And yeah, that one has beautiful roses. That one's growing some roses. There's a little pink flower right there on that one. There's some blooms. Some flowers are gonna grow. Yep. There's those green things right here. And there's those green things where sunflowers comes out in the summer. Yeah, there's a sunflower right there. One already grew. But in the summer, sunflowers grow. And there's more green things. There's a little, kind of like a small tree right here. There's a little tag in there. Trying to find the tag. Well, I don't think there's a tag anymore. Yeah, these trees are going crazy. It's really windy. Y'all can't see the trees. It's too dark. But it is pretty windy. We left that one out. It's a huge bush. Well, not sure what it's called, but it's tall. But we kept it. It was alright. It's like a red tree. I'm guessing that's a red maple. I don't know. The tag is missing. The tag was on that tree for 2 years. Now it went gone. So yeah. I'm guessing that's a red maple. I don't know. It has red on it. Yeah. And then we tore that bush out. When we tore the other bushes, a line of these bushes out before planting these, we tore that one out. There was a bush right here. Yeah. And then we planted all of these bushes in 2022, 2 years ago. Yep. And then in 2021, I think it was 2021, we planted these 3, and now remember they were small. I said this earlier in the video. There's beautiful azaleas on these. Pink azaleas. And then there's this sticky bush. And it has these white little flowers on them. They look like dogwood to me, but I don't know. But it's a big sticky bush. I remember it was small once, but it's big, huge now. And this bush came to the house when we got the house, and I remember it was small. Now it's big, huge. And then along when we planted the bushes, we planted the big tree. It was already like this when we planted it, 2022. My goodness. Pretty windy. Yeah, like I said earlier in the video, I was able to hang some wind chimes because it was big enough to put me to hang some. I said it earlier in the video, but anyways, yeah.